Could your emotions be secretly sabotaging your manifestations? Do you ever feel that you're putting in all the hard work with visualizing, journaling and saying affirmations, but nothing seems to happen? Well, the answer most likely lies in your emotional alignment. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel where we talk all things manifesting abundance and creating the life you want. So let's get into it. The universe doesn't respond to what you say you want. It responds to how you feel. And that's not me saying things like affirmations aren't important. They are extremely important. But it's all about how you feel when you're saying your affirmations. It's all about your feelings and your emotions. Think of your emotions like a magnet, which is putting things into your life that matches the vibe you're giving off. So if your mindset is, I really want more money, but deep down you're fearful of debt and panicking with anxiety, what the universe hears from your emotions is, give me more debt please. So what we're talking about here is the quantum realm. And you could put it another way. Imagine you're tuning into your favourite radio station, and when you select it, instead of hearing clear music, you get static noise because you're slightly off the station, and no matter how much you turn up the volume, you're not going to hear the songs you want until you adjust to the exact frequency. And that's how emotional misalignment works. Your desires are like that perfect station which is broadcasting on a specific vibration. Your emotions speak louder than your words or your actions. They are a much stronger energy. If your emotions such as fear, doubt or worry aren't tuned into that same frequency, you end up with static noise instead of the clear signal of manifestation. Emotional alignment is about fine-tuning your frequency so you can connect with what you truly want. So how are you really feeling today? Are your desires aligned to how you feel? So many people want financial abundance, but are stuck in a cycle of worrying about bills, not having enough money, or financial distress. And this is what happens when you're stressed about money. You're radiating fear and scarcity, and that's the signal you're broadcasting, and the universe just keeps reflecting it back. It's the laws of the universe, people. It's just like planting a seed but never watering it because you're too busy stressing out that it might not grow. So instead of stressing, try this. Celebrate every bit of abundance you already have. Anything, the smallest thing. If you've got a little bit of cash in your pocket, be grateful. If you were able to pay your bills this month, incredible. Celebrate it, because it's all about that vibration, that energy you're giving out. Gratitude shifts your vibration from lack to abundance. When you feel abundant, you get in the flow and you attract more abundance. So how do you fix emotional misalignment? It's not as complicated as you think. Feel the feeling first. Act as if you've already got it. If you want love, feel that love. If you want money, feel abundant. Even if it's just in small ways. You have to tap into those emotions now and really feel it. Use your memory. How have you felt before if you can? Because gratitude is everything. Gratitude is like a cheat code for manifestation. When you're thankful for what you have, you create space for more to flow in. Remember, gratitude is a powerful energy, just like how people talk about positive energy. It's an actual energy and a very powerful one. Another way is to flip the script. Catch yourself when you're spiraling into fear or doubt. Instead of thinking this isn't working, say things are always working out for me. It might feel awkward at first, but trust me, it rewires your brain, then rewires your emotions, which then makes you vibrate at a higher frequency, which then results in the universe delivering. Stay in the moment, because fear and worry usually come from obsessing over the past or the future. But right now in this moment you're okay. So breathe that in. Emotional misalignment isn't the end of the world. It's just your inner compass telling you to shift directions a little bit. You're not broken and you're not doing anything wrong. This is just part of your journey. You could start small and celebrate those little wins. But most importantly, trust that the universe is always working in your favour, even when it doesn't feel like it. Remember, manifesting and the law of attraction is a tool that comes with practice. It's not different to wanting to get fit or to lose weight, which involves going to the gym or dieting or both. You have to practice for it to truly work. So you've got this. The universe is ready. Now are you? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below.